Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset Zazzle store account, easy tutorial step by step clearly. To reset your Zazzle store account, begin by navigating to the Zazzle website. Once on the home page, locate the sign in button at the top right corner of the screen. Click on the sign in button to access the login page. If you've forgotten your password, look for the Forgot Password link below the password entry field. Click on the Forgot Password link to initiate the password reset process. You will be prompted to enter the email address associated with your Zazzle account. Type in your email address and then click the Submit button. Check your email inbox for a message from Zazzle. If you don't see it, be sure to check your spam or junk folder. Open the email and look for the password reset link provided. Click on the link, which will direct you to a secure page to create a new password. Enter your new password in the designated field. Make sure your new password meets Zazzle's security requirements. After entering your new password, confirm it by typing it again in the next field. Once you've confirmed your new password, click the Submit button to save your changes. You should see a confirmation message indicating that your password has been successfully reset. Return to the Zazzle login page to sign in with your new password. Enter your email address and new password, then click the Sign In button. You are now logged into your Zazzle store account with the updated password. If you encounter any issues during the process, consider reaching out to Zazzle's customer support for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.